Hi guys, let's unbox and try this super popular snack from Japan. It's called the Snow Sand Nama Chocolate Sandwich Cookie. Box palang daan kay guwapa na kaayo. I got this as a gift from a family who visited Japan during the Christmas holidays. It's a premium cookie. They said it is a must to buy when you visit Hokkaido, Japan. When you open the box, you will see individually packed cookie and this booklet. Ang booklet kay it has the pictures and the details sa kanang cookie nga imuhang gipalit. Even though I cannot read Japanese, but I can tell the craftsmanship through the design. It is perfectly made good siya. Premium product. I got both white and black chocolate flavor. Let's try first the white chocolate one. Okay ba unsay reason behind kung anong it is only sold in winter time lang? I-research pa din ako. Let's see. When you open each pack, you will see a piece of a moisture absorbent. So, be careful kung ihatag niyong mga bata. Ilabay na siya. The color of the cookie is very beautiful. Perfectly made. I'm sure very crunchy. And of course, the inside is white. It's made of white milk, like chocolate. Let's see kung unsa siya ka-crunchy and ka-creamy. Yeah, it is very crunchy and it is very creamy in the inside. Crunchy on the outside. Pero tamisan ra ko niya gamay, but it's good. If you're someone hinamis, then this is for you. And this time, let's try the black chocolate flavor one. I think it's the same. It has the kanang piece of kanang moisture absorbent. So, ilabay nato na kay delikado sa mga bata. Kay for sure mga bata ganahan ani. So, kana siya. You have to throw that away. And the color, it is beautiful. Perfectly made good. And for sure, the inside is very creamy. And I think mas bet na ako ni nga flavor. Di kaya ni siya tamis for sure. Let's see. Yes. Mas ganahan ko ani. Mas okay na ko ni. So if you're someone like me nga dili hilig kaayog tamis, then get the black chocolate flavor one. And yes, as I've said, dili ko sure kung unsay reason nga nung it's only sold in winter time. So if you are in Japan, you're planning to visit in Japan during the winter days, or if you're in Japan right now, don't forget to grab a box or a piece to share for your friends and your family. Kay it's good for gifting ni siya or pang pasalubong. Yeah, it is very nice. Enjoy mo.